To add custom fonts to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. In the top menu, click on the settings icon and select Site Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click on Custom Fonts. This will take you to the Custom Fonts page where you can upload your own fonts. Click on the Upload Your Font button and select the font file from your computer. Wix supports TrueType and OpenType font files, so make sure your font is in one of these formats. Once you have selected your font file, click on the Upload button to upload it to Wix. After the font has been uploaded, you can add it to your website by clicking on the Add to Site button. To use your custom font on your website, go back to the website editor and select the text element where you want to apply the font. Click on the text settings icon and select the font family drop-down menu. Your uploaded font should be listed in the menu, so select it to apply it to your text. It is also possible to add fonts from Google Fonts or other font libraries to your Wix website. To do this, go to the Google Fonts website and select the fonts you want to use. Copy the embed code provided by Google Fonts and go back to your Wix website editor. In the Settings menu, click on the Advanced section and select Custom Code. Paste the embed code into the head section and click on the Apply button. Your Google Fonts will now be available in the Font Family drop-down menu, and you can apply them to your text elements as needed. When adding custom fonts to your Wix website, make sure to consider the licensing terms of the font and ensure that you have the necessary permissions to use it. Also, be mindful of the file size of your font files, as large files can slow down your website's loading time. By following these steps, you can easily add custom fonts to your Wix website and enhance its visual appeal.